Fuel oil filter. Fuel oil system uses duplex filters. Only one filter is used at a time while the other is kept clean. Filters are cleaned at regular intervals or when there is a drop in pressure. To clean the filter, change over the filter to the other side which is clean. Open the purge cock of the filter in use and ensure that oil flows through the filter. Open the purge cock of the filter which is not in use. Open the cover after the oil stops flowing and take out the filter element. Be careful when heavy fuel oil is used, as it will be very hot. The filter element is made of wire gauze. The size of the wire gauze depends on the rate of filtration in microns. It is between 5 microns to 35 microns. Clean the filter element with kerosene and compressed air. Put the filter element back with the cover. Change over slowly and purge the air from the filter housing.